Morning, everyone. Bids and Awards Committee, Secretariat, TWG, and Observer, all prospective bidders. Everyone, welcome to the procurement activity of DPWH Lanao District Engineering Office. Today, August 27, 2026, we are conducting the opening of bids for the project on Goods Ni Goods, PR number 26-08-077. And we have also the pre-bid conference of Civil Works, 26 kg 0044. This is rebid, and 26 kg 0045. Before we proceed, may I request everyone to stand for the moment of prayer. May I request Engineer Mindalano to lead the prayer.
Please stand for the prayer. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Alhamdulillah, thank you, Engineer Delano. May I request the back secretariat to conduct the roll call and find out if there's quorum.
Yes, good morning, Madam Chair. I will now call the roll to determine the quorum. Back Chairperson, Naida Bisata.
Present.
Back Vice Chairperson, Elnor F. Cabaluna. Back Members, Carno M. Hajinor. Back Member, Rachid J. Mudag Jr. Not here. Back Member, 1, 2, 3, 4. Norhaina S. Alawi. Back Member, Jezbel R. Tampos. We have 6 out of 7 who are present, Madam Chair, and the back is in quorum.
Thank you, Ma'am Karen. Since the back members in majority and we have a quorum, so I declare the opening of bids and session. So order. So please acknowledge also the TWG and Secretariat, also the prospective bidders and observer.
Back TWG, Architect Aisel Velarde, Engineer Ibrahim M. Makadindang, Engineer Al-Mujib R. Pondogar, Engineer Muhammad Samin A. Mindalano, Engineer Christopher Gialon, Mr. Jaime R. Misiona, Engineer Abdul Gafar Pandapatan, Ms. Salma Amer. For Back Secretariat, we have Mr. Amar Di Mapuro, Mr. Saraman Laot, Engineer Ernesto Roel L. Chu III, Engineer Joel C. Saavedra, Engineer Fairosa Tabuakar, Mr. Mr. Rani C. Hardinaso, Ms. Siti Akima Di Mapuro, Mr. Dan Padayhag, Engineer Nolito Baholo. Do we have online viewers? There is none, Madam Chair. That's all.
Thank you, Ma'am Karen. Now we will first read the previous minutes. Do you have minutes? So now the committee will proceed with the opening of bids. Secretariat, please open the envelope to be read by Engineer Tampos and checked by Engineer Alawi.
Good morning. This is for PR number 26-08-00077 for the technical proposal of Swift Trade Office Supplies and Equipment Trading. PhilJeps, DTI, Business Permit, Bid securing Declaration, List of all ongoing government and private contracts, Statement of all government and private contracts, Audited Financial Statement, Tax Clearance Certificate, Delivery Schedule Requirements, Technical Specifications Proposal, Omnibus Sworn Statement.
Na? Original copy of bid security. Oh. Pass.
For the financial document, bid form, request for quotation, bill of quantities, manpower requirements, NA, after sales service, NA. Wait. Bid amount. With a bid amount of 222,600 pesos only. 222,600 pesos only. No discount offered. That's all for PR number 26-08-077, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Engineer Tampos. The result of abstract of bids of PR number 26-08-07 of the with the contractor of Swift Trade Office and Supplies Equipment Trading with a bid amount of 222,600 pesos only, with the variance of 1.87%. So this is subject for bid evaluation and post-co. So thank you. I think that's all for the opening words. So now we will proceed the pre-bid conference. Pasin. Secretariat, do you have previous minutes? No? So, may I request to read the agenda of this project?
The agenda of pre-bid conference. Number 1, brief presentation and explanation of by the back of the following: basic contract data, contract description, ABC and duration, requirements of bid documents, including instruction to bidders, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, specs, drawings, bill of quantities. Letter C, documents to be submitted by bidders. 1, technical component of the bid, which includes field JEP certificate, PCAB license and registration, statement of all ongoing government and private contracts, SLCC and FCC, computation of statement of total assets and total liabilities. We would like to emphasize that the contractor should include the list of all ongoing and just awarded contracts. We are strict on this. This is for the computation of SLCC, our NFCC, net financial contracting capacity. Okay, and JVA, if applicable, bid security, project requirements, organizational chart for the contract, list of contractors' key personnel, pledged for the contract, list of major equipment and omnibus sworn statement. For the financial component of the bid, we have bid form, bid prices, detailed estimates, and cash flow. Letter D, criteria and procedure of eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids. And we will entertain questions and comments from those who are here or from the viewers. That's all, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Ma'am Karen. Now I would like to acknowledge the maintenance from the maintenance to present the project subject for private conference.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. For the for project ID 26, KG 0044. Um, okay, for the repair, maintenance of drainage along Linamon Zamboanga Road at kilometer 1586 plus 384 at Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Madam Chair, to give the details of the project, may I call on Engineer Samin Mendelano?
Yes, Engineer Samin, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. So for the 26 kg 0044 with the contract title, Repair Maintenance of Drainage along Linamon Zamboanga Road, K1586 plus 384, Tubod, Lanao del Norte. So this is the location of the contract, Tubod, Lanao del Norte. The approved budget of the contract is 2,530,458 pesos. The duration of the contract is 94 calendar days and the cost of BDOX is 5,000 pesos. So these are the geotag photos of the contract. And these are the item of works. 8.1.1, construction of field office for the engineer. 8.1.111, provision of furniture, fixtures, and appliances for the field office for the engineer. B.5, project billboard, signboard. B7, 2, occupational safety and health. B.8, traffic management. B.9, mobilization, demobilization. 1013, B3, removal of actual structure obstruction, 0.23 mm thick PCCP unreinforced. 1013, C1, removal of actual structure obstruction, 0.05 mm thick ACP. 103, 1A, structure excavation, common soil. 1033, foundation fill. 103, 6A, pipe culverts and drain excavation, common soil. 104, 1A, embankment from roadway excavation, common soil. 104, 2A, embankment from barrow, common soil. 105, 1A, subgrade preparation. 201, aggregate sub-base course. 302, 2, emulsified asphalt. 310, 1B, bituminous concrete surface wearing course. Hot laid for TMM thick. 311, 1A, Portland cement concrete pavement unreinforced. 0.15 mm thick, 14 days. 311, 1E1, Portland cement concrete pavement unreinforced, 0.28 mm thick, 14 days. 404, 1A, reinforcing steel grade 40. 405, 1A3, structural concrete, 20.68 MPa, class A, 28 days. 407, 8, lean concrete, class B, 16.5 MPa. 501D, pipe culverts, class 4 RCPC. And 503A, line canal, rectangular reinforced concrete. Next. So these are the minimum equipment needed. Dump truck, 2. Payloader, backhoe with breaker 1, water truck pump 1, boom truck 1, asphalt distributor 10 feet wide 1, power broom 2 meter wide 1, pneumatic tire roller 1, tandem steel roller 1, transit mixer 4, concrete vibrator 2, concrete skidder 1, bar cutter 1, bar bender 1, cargo service truck 1, 1 bagger mixer 1. Next. And for the 26 kg 0045, we request the planning section to present.
Good morning, everyone. So we have contract ID 26KJ0045 with a contract title of Construction of Rainwater Collector System, 1 project with 4 beneficiary at Lanao del Norte. The project beneficiaries are the Barangay Bosque Covered Court at Linamon, Lanao del Norte, MDRRMO Building, Taguluan, Lanao del Norte, Buracan Elementary School, Linamon, Lanao del Norte, and Taguluan National High School, Taguluan, Lanao del Norte. This is our location map of our 4 beneficiaries. For project beneficiary, Barangay Bosque Covered Court, Linamon, Lanao del Norte, our project description is construction of rainwater collector system, which is a 4 set of 1,000 liters polyethylene water tank. The project duration is 61 calendar days with a physical target of 1 rainwater collector system, description of works to be done, other general requirements, earthworks, reinforced concrete, finishing and other civil works, and mechanical. Minimum equipment requirements, we have 1 backhoe, 1 dump truck, 1 plate compactor, 1 bar cutter single phase, 1 bar bender, 1 bagger mixer, 1 concrete vibrator, 1 welding machine, and 1 cutting outfit. Next is for the beneficiary MDRRMO Building, Taguluan, Lanao del Norte. Project description is construction of rainwater collector system, 4 sets of 1,000 liters polyethylene water tank. The project duration is 61 calendar days with a physical target of 1 rainwater collector system, description of works to be done, other general requirements, earthworks, reinforced concrete, finishing and other civil works, and mechanical. Minimum equipment requirements, we had 1 backhoe, 1 dump truck, 1 plate compactor, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar bender, 1 bagger mixer, 1 concrete vibrator, 1 welding machine, and 1 cutting outfit. Project beneficiary, Buracan Elementary School, Linamon, Lanao del Norte. Project description, construction of rainwater collector system, 1 set of 4,000 liters stainless steel water tank, and installation of gutter. Description of works to be done, other general requirements, earthworks, reinforced concrete, and finishing and other civil works, and mechanical. Minimum equipment requirements, we have 1 backhoe, 1 dump truck, 1 plate compactor, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar bender, 1 bagger mixer, 1 concrete vibrator, 1 welding machine, and 1 cutting outfit. Last, project beneficiary, Taguluan National High School, Taguluan, Lanao del Norte. Project description as construction of rainwater collector system, 4 sets of 1,000 liters polyethylene water tank. Project duration is 61 calendar days. Physical target of 1 rainwater collector system. Description of works to be done, other general requirements, earthworks, reinforced concrete, finishing and other civil works, and mechanical. Minimum equipment requirements, 1 backhoe, 1 dump truck, 1 plate compactor, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar bender, 1 bagger mixer, 1 concrete vibrator, 1 welding machine, and 1 cutting outfit. The approved budget for the contract is 1,737,000 pesos. Reminders for the interested contractors. The contractor must observe the following in the bidding documents. First is the pagination and site tabbing arranged and labeled according to checklist. And third is the table of contents that will harmonize the pagination and site tabbing. This is the preliminary examination of technical components of the bid and the preliminary examination of financial components of the bid. Reminders also, kindly visit our office for the schedule and coordination of this project site visit and keep posted in the official website for possible additional supplementary bid bulletin. And the schedule of opening of bids is on September 10, 2026, 9 a.m. at DPWH Lanao First DEO Conference Room. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer Banji and Engineer Mindolano. Is there any question or additional information, Secretariat?
Madam Chair,
Yes. Yes, Ma'am
I'd
Karen.
like to remind bidders we have a department memorandum dated May 28, 2026. It is the obligation of contractors to fully and truthfully disclose all ongoing and just awarded but not yet started contracts, including contracts with DPWH, other government and private contracts. So we are strict on this, the disclosure of ongoing and just awarded contracts. Number two, may we remind you that failure to submit and declare any ongoing and just awarded contract shall constitute a ground for disqualification and imposition of appropriate functions. And the third reminder is please use modernized field jets. Some are confused that they cannot see our posting. Actually, they are looking at the old field jets. So may I remind that we are now using modernized field jets. That's all, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Ma'am Karen. Any other information or yes?
For the 44 man to sa kuano. Sa katong sa lean concrete of the what is the class B? Class B computation for the lean concrete. Di ba 2.4 or then murag wala kabot ang 16.5 is not kung sa 2.4 16.5 MPa murag wala siya kabot. Uh, 2.4. So, ang 16.5 is kulang pa na siya. 16.58 or whatever to para makuha niya ang 2.4.
Any more comments? Question, back member? If there's none, we have the motion to adjourn the session. Ah. I mean,
I would just like to remind prospective bidders about regarding the construction safety and health program to be evaluated by this office and approved by the HOPE to submit as per the Department Order 241 series of 2024, utilizing the DPWH standard forms and application form, not the DOLI application form na po. And also to submit the pledged heavy equipment with testing, and also the first aider and safety officer must be not committed to other projects. So, and also the skill certificate for the skilled personnels. Thank you.
thank you, Engineer Alawi. Any more? Any more comments or additional information, back member? So the committee has completed the opening of bids of all submitted bids, and we also finished with the pre-bid conference. So if do you have any more? If none, what is the pleasure of the body? Back member.
I move for the adjournment of this today's activity.
Thank you, back member, Engineer Tampos. To motion to adjourn is duly noted and seconded. Therefore, the pre-bid and the opening of bids is hereby adjourned.